The rise of e-commerce has opened up new opportunities for entrepreneurs to start their businesses without the overhead costs and complexities of traditional retail. One popular way to start an online store is through dropshipping. In this video, I will build my online e-commerce store with $0. Choosing a product. Choosing a niche is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. A niche is a specific area or market that you want to focus on. Consider factors such as your interests, competition, and profitability when choosing a niche. Once you have chosen your niche, you can select products to sell in your online store. Work with your supplier to find high-quality, profitable products that are in demand. Consider factors such as product cost, shipping times, and customer reviews when selecting products. Additionally, consider offering unique products or product bundles to differentiate yourself from competitors. Finding suppliers. When selecting a supplier for your online store, it's important to choose a reliable and trustworthy partner. Look for suppliers who have a proven track record of delivering high-quality products on time and who are willing to work with you to resolve any issues that may arise. You can find suppliers on AliExpress. You should also consider supplier pricing and product quality. Compare the pricing of different suppliers to ensure that you are getting a fair price for the product you are selling. Additionally, order samples of the products to evaluate the quality and ensure that they meet your standards. Setting up your online store. An e-commerce platform is software that allows you to create and manage your online store. There are many e-commerce platforms available, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, and pricing when choosing an e-commerce platform. The best e-commerce platform for beginners is Shopify. You can choose a $1 3-month trial. In 3 months, you will definitely generate sales. Designing and customizing your website. Once you have selected an e-commerce platform, you will need to design and customize your website to reflect your brand and appeal to your target audience. Consider factors such as branding, usability, and mobile responsiveness when designing your website. Select a payment gateway. A payment gateway is a service that allows you to accept payments on your website. Choose a payment gateway that is trusted, secure, and offers a variety of payment options such as credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay. Add products to your store. Once your website is designed, you can add products to your store. Work with your supplier to import product information such as descriptions, images, and pricing. Organize your products into categories and ensure that they are easy to find and navigate. Set prices and shipping rates. Determine your pricing strategy based on factors such as product cost, competitor pricing, and profit margin. Additionally, set up your shipping rates based on the weight and dimensions of your products and the shipping destination. Test your website. Before launching your online store, thoroughly test your website to ensure that everything is working properly. Test all links, forms, and checkout processes to identify and fix any issues. Launch your online store. Once your website is tested and ready, launching your online store is time. Promote your store through social media, email marketing, and other marketing channels to drive traffic to your website and start making sales. Marketing and promoting your store. Once your online store is set up, you will need to create a marketing plan to promote your products and drive traffic to your website. Consider a variety of marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, influencer marketing, and paid advertising. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This can help drive organic traffic to your website and increase visibility for your products. Building an email list. Building an email list is an effective way to promote your store and keep your customers engaged. Offer incentives such as discounts or exclusive content to encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. Order fulfillment and customer service. Even though you are not responsible for inventory management and shipping, you still need to manage order fulfillment and customer service for your dropshipping business. Ensure that you have processes in place to manage orders, handle customer inquiries and complaints, and resolve issues that may arise. To succeed in dropshipping, you need to continuously analyze and optimize your performance. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer retention to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategy accordingly. Maintain good relationships with suppliers. Building strong relationships with your suppliers is crucial for the success of your dropshipping dropshipping business. Communicate regularly with your suppliers and work with them to resolve any issues that may arise. Additionally, consider offering incentives such as larger orders or faster payment terms to maintain a positive relationship. Focus on customer experience. In dropshipping, you have less control over the product quality and shipping times, which makes the customer experience even more important. Focus on providing excellent customer service, fast response times, and clear communication to ensure your customers are satisfied with their experience. Stay up to date with industry trends. E-commerce and dropshipping are constantly evolving industries, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Follow industry blogs, attend conferences, and network with other dropshippers to stay informed and improve your business. Dropshipping is a popular and accessible way to start an online store with low startup costs and minimal risk. However, it requires hard work, research, and ongoing optimization to be successful. By following these best practices and focusing on customer experience and supplier relationships, you can build a profitable and sustainable dropshipping business. Alrighty. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you like this video, consider giving it a like. Subscribe to me as well for more awesome videos related to finances, side hustles, and making money just like this. And I don't want you to miss out on the next one. Thank you so much for stopping by, and until next time.